The 24-man is completely exposed, and we're having 50-mile-an-hour winds up here in the basin, and it's standing up to them. And I guess maybe I've got the twin pole and canopy ratios balanced out pretty well. This thing is really spilling the wind, and sometimes it is just ferocious, and has been for perhaps 16 hours. Well, last night it was, and all day today. It is now 1:40 p.m. I think this is the Tuesday, and it is seriously windy with gusts, slapping gusts that have to be over 50 miles an hour. So that's